It's okay. So, did you enjoy putting rice for mommy?
Yes. The thing can also make sandcastle. I loved it. I loved it.
I want to use the rice to be making sandcastle. It's okay, it's okay.
I want to be helping you with the food.
Don't worry, you help me later. Go and pour the remaining rice inside. Come and carry the plastic.
I'll put it in. And I'll be packing it into bag.
Yeah, no now. Oh God of Israel. That's a Lua. Carry the plastic, carry it there. If all the rice pour, you'll be hungry.
Can crawl like a child on top of the walls.
Hey guys, I want to cook small jollof rice with the remaining stew we have in the house. If there's just one small pot of stew, maybe the stew is almost finished, I usually turn it to jollof rice. Then when that one finish, we'll now face the next course of food. So, you have to wash the rice. Stop playing with my light.
Of 35, 36, 39.
That's what I used to make jollof rice. Okay. You have to give your money. You have to let the money to cook.
The salt.
Put your pepper to add. Put salt.
How to put them? Not so much.
I said let me go and give them food. It's almost 12 o'clock. My watch is not yet charging. It's almost 12 o'clock. So I can give all my children food. My husband's on, me and my daughter and my son. That's his water. This is my daughter's water. And mine. So we're having, this is just rice and stew, but I made it into jollof like. I just turned it I made it into jollof, put crayfish, put salt. That's the only thing I put actually, because already the stew is flavored now. So I just had crayfish and salt, and that's all. Guys, I'm tired. I've been sitting here for like 2 hours. 2 hours straight, and my watch has been telling me get up and move twice. So I need to actually get up and move. Let me quickly just do this particular one. And I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. I need to go and check my children. What in the Lord's name is
Your daughter.
It's your daughter? Even if she's not the one, do you say she's the one?
Mommy, this is the present.
Which present?
This is the present.
Present for who?
For all of us.
As in
This one is a tractor.
Adasa.
Mommy, this one is a tractor.
Chineke. You don't even know where to match self like this.
A tractor. This one is...
2 children, oh. 2 children.
This one is
What is this? I mean, you see what they do. Away. So, Mama, you should pay the pieces like this. Adasa.
You know how we did Christmas?
Which Christmas? So this is Christmas decoration.
Yes. Mommy.
Hi.
Mommy. This one is for snow. You slide down the slide and be sleeping.
Wow.
So.
Wow. Mama, if you want to do your own, you better don't fall. Mama, you will follow. See what you are teaching your sister.
You have to be teaching her so she will be learning how to skate.
Hey, Chineke. Hey! How many hours did I leave you people in this room? I don't weak. What is this on the window?
It's Christmas decoration.
I don't weak. Mama, what is this on the window? Why is the mom like this? So it's a third like this that you're using to do Christmas decoration.
I want to surprise you.
This one is not surprise. I don't like this kind of surprise.
Don't you like it?
Why would I like it?
No.
Okay, I like it. I like it. We pack all these things. I don't tire. My back. Ah. Finally, I don't proofread all those things. Ah, the neck.
Your shoulder and your feet and nose.
Must you have nose? Yeah, you should have pack everything. Eh? It's not who? It's who now? You don't know. Pack all your toys, all these toys. Come and put it inside our pockets. All these clothes on the floor. Put them back.